Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your home location visible to everyone on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. This is a simple process that allows you to share where you live with your friends, family, and even the public if you choose. So, let's dive right into the steps. 1. First, you'll want to open Facebook on your computer and log into your account. 1. Make sure you're on the main page. 2. Next, click on your profile photo. You can find this in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. 3. From the drop-down menu, click on your name to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the About section and click on it. This section contains all sorts of information about you, including your current city. 4. In the About section, find Places Lived, where your home location is listed. Next to your home location, you'll see an audience icon. This icon indicates who can currently see your location. 5. Click on the audience icon next to your home location. This will open a drop-down menu with various options like Public, Friends, Only Me, etc. 6. To make your home location visible to everyone, select Public. This means that anyone on Facebook, even people who aren't your friends, will be able to see where you live. 7. Finally, click Done to save your changes. Your home location is now visible to everyone on Facebook. That's it. You've successfully made your home location visible to everyone on Facebook. Now keep in mind that sharing your location publicly means anyone can see it, so be sure you're comfortable with that level of visibility. If you ever want to change it back, just follow these steps again and select a different audience option, such as Friends or Only Me. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.